Today I get to hear my little daughter's heartbeat. I'm excited for this. One of the best days of my life. About to hear my little daughter's heartbeat. It's about to go down. Pregnant ladies everywhere. Yeah. How do we get this started? I want to hear my little daughter's heartbeat already. I want to just touch it off. I want to touch it off, figure this out. What is this for? We don't have to wait for the doctor. I'm going to do this. Public announcement. All you pregnant ladies out there, you're at risk from the flu, so stay away from everybody. Stay away from everybody. They're a fucking virus. Haters and all. Man, they got us in here waiting so motherfucking long, man. I'm about to fucking connect the Pro Tools to this shit back here. I'm gonna bring some speakers in here. I'm gonna record some shit. He's asking me for a password. Hey, should I ask him for the Hey, what's the password?
They said what?
What's the password?
Someone had put September 5th in here or something. But, so, this will kind of help me get a rough idea and see how far along you are, so, okay, and then we'll confirm with 100%. Okay.
She's right there.
Just gonna get a general survey here, and I'll tell you what I see.
I wish I could pop some champagne here, baby.
Alright,
Does the heartbeat right there?
yeah. You getting it?
Oh, she's in there. She's really in there. Is her little head in there?
These are really, it's very quick there.
Can we make sure she looks just like her somehow?
That's all what you tell on the ultrasound.
Look like your mom. Or imagine if they would have said, no, it's really twins.
I would be happy. That's what we wanted, remember?
Don't worry, baby. Daddy's gonna get you out of there. Everybody better enjoy me on social media now, because when my little daughter is born, I'm going MIA with her. We're going on a vacation. Straight up. I'm gonna turn into a real sugar daddy. I was serious, man. Once my little daughter comes, I'm gonna be out. So you got something to tell me now. What's up? Well, we gotta get a pizza to celebrate.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, we gotta get a pizza to celebrate.
Take these menus out the way, and I'll leave one for the...
To celebrate the baby's heartbeat.